Beauty creators are using AI tools to generate content 10x faster. In this video, I'm showing you the exact tools transforming the beauty industry and how you can use them today. Beauty content demands consistency and speed. AI tools remove technical barriers, letting you focus on creativity. Whether you're editing videos, generating thumbnails, or creating makeup tutorials, AI automates the tedious parts. Freelancers and small beauty businesses are already seeing 3x productivity gains. Let's explore the tools dominating right now. First, Runway AI video editing automatically removes backgrounds and adds effects in seconds. Second, DALL-E 3 for custom beauty graphics and promotional images. Third, Synthesia for AI avatar tutorials, perfect when you want faceless content. All three integrate seamlessly with your existing workflow. Each saves hours weekly on repetitive tasks. Open Runway, upload raw beauty footage. Select Auto Enhance, add trending effects and clicks. Export in minutes, not hours. Then use Synthesia to create a voiceover if needed. Finally, generate a custom thumbnail with Midjourney. Your complete workflow takes under 30 minutes, something that took pros days before. These tools unlock faster content creation, meaning more uploads, more reach, more revenue. Start with one tool this week, test it, track your time saved, then expand your toolkit. Creators using AI strategically are outpacing competitors significantly. Your beauty business's growth starts with automation today. Subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews tailored to creators. Hit like if this saves you time, and comment which beauty tool you're trying first.